History books often get it wrong when speaking of the Native Americans and First Peoples of America, or perhaps they just fail to tell the whole story. Osio, Marty Hight Dawado, Chichalagi. I just said hello. My name's Marty Hight, and I'm Cherokee. This is an assembly where your students will experience history, culture, tribal practices, daily life, our folklore. You'll hear stories. We can do crafts. Or you can learn of our great wise chiefs. You'll hear of our tragedies, but also our triumphs. Hopefully, I'll even teach you guys some Cherokee words. I'm a card-carrying member of the Cherokee Nation of Oklahoma, born and raised here. And we will celebrate diversity, learn to appreciate differences in others, how it makes us better and stronger when we work together. It would be a privilege to come and share with you. In Cherokee, there's no word for goodbye, so we say Donadago Ha'i. I'll leave you with that and say I would be honored to meet each and every one of you. Wado.